How to make number private when calling. First, open the phone app on your mobile. After that, tap on the three dots, menu icon, in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Now look for an option called Supplementary Services, More Settings, or Call Settings, depending on your phone model. Inside that menu, tap on Show Your Caller ID. You will see three options: Network Default, Never, and Always. Select Never. Once you choose it, your number will become private whenever you make a call. After enabling it, your outgoing calls will appear as Private Number or Unknown on the receiver's phone. That's it. Your number is now hidden when calling. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.